You can't beat me. I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
One in the head and one in the heart.
Copy.
Even if the yellow wolfsbane was just meant to weaken him, Scott figured it out. Like he always does.
You wanted enough power so that you can never be trapped again. You wanted the power of a shapeshifter like me. But that comes with all the rules of being a shapeshifter. We have weaknesses. And we have lines that we can't cross.
Mountain.